is Sarah from DNS Studios, Matrix World. And hang on a sec. There's something different about Dakota. Alright, I'm dropping the phone. Okay. Hey guys, this is Sarah from DNS Studios, Matrix World, and Dakota is here with us today on a Friday.
This is featuring
Pichu.
This is Pichu. He's a cockatiel.
Yeah.
He's not very good at flying.
Yeah. Show him. Sometimes he just knocks into things, like, he's like, then he falls.
No. Release your beak.
Trust me, I gotta show you. Hang on, let me hold him. We're gonna do this in my room. He's even worse at it in my room. Alright, let's watch.
Right now.
Oh, he landed on your shoulder!
Hi.
Hang on, wait. Huh? Oh, he almost landed.
Oh,
I caught him.
He likes me.
He fell upside down on my hand. I think you can see that now. Pichu! There you are.
Okay, let's go introduce you to the rest of the birds.
Yeah. These aren't actually our birds. My friend, well, my dad's friend,
Lacey.
No, it's Lancey. Or Lacey.
So this is Pichu.
Yeah, you're right, it's Lacey.
The other one with the gray is Pikachu right there. And then this one is Eevee. And then that one, and then the one right there.
Hang on a second.
And the one right there, that is Raichu.
Alright, yeah. My friend, I'll just tell you the quick story. Her boyfriend and her got in a big fight, blah, blah, blah. She wanted to stay here for a couple of days. She's gonna move here once she gets her surgery. She'll know when she gets it on Wednesday. And she has 2 sons, 8 puppies, a dog. She's giving me one of the puppies. I don't think I told you that yet, Dakota.
No, you didn't.
I'm probably gonna keep Pichu if it's okay with her. And yeah, she's technically gonna move. So basically, she's gonna move here after she gets her surgery. But this video is just all about Pichu. So let's learn about Pichu. Learn about Pichu, I mean. Just like play with him and stuff. But we're only gonna...
Oh, he's on. Okay, no, not right there. Right there.
Yeah, so let's get playing.
Hey, Pichu. I'm here. Ready?
Uh-oh, another problem. He's on the curtain.
Got it. Good job, Pichu. Ready?
Uh-oh.
Get on top of my head.
Sorry, guys.
Hello. Ready, Pichu? Oh, that was a terrible idea. Let's try something else. Like this. Ready? Watch this, guys. No. Fly, Pichu, fly! That was a terrible flight, but you're learning.
Take some action facing to the box. Hang on, wait.
Oh. Fly, Pichu.
Right! Oh no. He was using one, so...
He did it! He flew! You are the best, Pichu!
And he's the youngest bird out of all of them.
The rest of them know how to fly really well.
Yeah.
And they're
He's the worst.
they're evil. They're evil. Seriously, they go pow, pow, pow. They go nibble, nibble, nibble. Like this. Watch. Don't nibble. See? He's nibbling. He's nibbling.
Seriously, show them the mark you got from the birds. Yeah. Ain't I seen it?
Okay, Pichu, what is wrong? You want me to itch right there?
No, he's just hungry. I'm gonna go put him back in his cage. Well,
Or we can feed him. Hold some bird seed in your hand and he'll fly to you. Get in there. Alright, guys, so that's all the video we have for today.
so that's all the time we have today. Next video, we'll make sure you meet Lancey. Alright?
Yeah.
Lacey, I mean.
Yeah, Lacey.
Alright.
Okay, bye!
Bye! And if you like birds, subscribe. If you don't subscribe. Anyways, bye!
Okay!
And give this video a like too if you absolutely love birds. Because I know we do. We actually love birds. Get it? Not me and Dakota, but yeah. Bye!